Wildlife management refers to the planned and controlled use, protection, and conservation of wild animal species and their habitats to ensure their sustainability for present and future generations. It involves activities such as setting up game reserves, regulating hunting, anti-poaching measures, and habitat restoration. Wildlife management plays a crucial role in environmental conservation, socio-economic development, and biodiversity protection. Below are 10 advantages of wildlife management. Here are advantages of wildlife management. 1. Conservation of biodiversity. Wildlife management helps protect various animal and plant species from extinction, ensuring the preservation of biodiversity, which maintains ecological balance and the stability of ecosystems. 2. Promotion of tourism. Well-managed wildlife areas attract both domestic and international tourists, generating significant revenue for the country through tourism-related activities like game viewing, photographic safaris, and accommodation services. 3. Creation of employment opportunities. Wildlife management initiatives create jobs for local communities in areas such as game wardening, tour guiding, lodge operation, and conservation research, thereby improving livelihoods. 4. Provision of education and research opportunities. Managed wildlife areas serve as open laboratories for educational institutions and researchers, offering opportunities for studies in animal behavior, ecology, and environmental science. 5. Source of food and raw materials. Through controlled and sustainable use, wildlife management allows communities to obtain meat, hides, skins, and medicinal resources, supporting traditional and cultural practices without depleting resources. 6. Control of poaching and illegal trade. Effective wildlife management enforces laws against poaching and the illegal trade of animal products, protecting endangered species and maintaining legal trade systems for licensed hunting or harvesting. 7. Preservation of cultural heritage. Many communities in Zimbabwe regard certain wild animals and natural areas as sacred or culturally significant, and wildlife management helps protect these aspects of heritage and identity. 8. Climate regulation and environmental protection. Wildlife and their habitats, especially forests and wetlands, contribute to climate moderation through carbon storage, rainfall regulation, and preventing soil erosion, thereby enhancing environmental health. 9. Promotion of international cooperation. Through transfrontier conservation areas and treaties, wildlife management fosters regional and international partnerships for species protection, knowledge sharing, and tourism development. 10. Enhancement of national revenue. Besides tourism income, wildlife management generates revenue through hunting permits, park entry fees, and international donor support for conservation projects, contributing to the national economy.